Hey everybody, right now is the time to prep, to stockpile. And it's not always necessarily when there's shortages, even though that may occur too, but when you find deals, find things on sale, when you have the opportunity to prep, that's what real preppers do. So I'm going to show you some things that are going on right now that makes this the perfect time to prep. And stay to the end because I want to talk a little bit more about prepping and the right way to do it to make sure you survive, well, whatever what's coming. With that, let me jump to Walmart. I found all kinds of things on sale, of course, for the holidays, for Thanksgiving. I mean, some of the things like this may not be the best thing to prep. And there's certain things that are perfect to prep, like canned food, like, well, corn and green beans. Corn's a little questionable. But when you see it going for 50 cents a can, that is fantastic. Stock up on this. Or even things like pumpkin. Pumpkin's great. And again, if it's canned food, it will last indefinitely. It will not expire. Even things like cream of mushroom soup or cream of chicken soup, this is the good stuff right here. And we get lots and lots of this and stockpile it, especially when you're seeing it only for $1 a can, because previously it was $1.26. Or cartons of broth, excellent for preparing dishes. Even Jiffy Mix, if you like that, 2 for $1, that's great. And again, in November, we always see these kind of things, and this is the perfect time because the grocery stores really stock up on a lot of extra, so you can buy a few flats of this and put it in your prepper pantry. But this is the real good stuff. Here we see some butterball turkeys, which are excellent, 98 cents a pound. I've seen deals at other stores much better than this. But you can also get like some Jennie-O turkeys. Why not? In my opinion, they taste just as good. These are only 88 cents a pound. But it's not just stuff for the holidays. Of course, Walmart always has this clearance aisle. Look at these two things of multi-sport vitamins. These are the ones I take. There's a women's one and a men's one, only $10 instead of $32, or, well, maybe not, Dolly Parton yellow cake mix. Sure, if you want to stockpile that, go for it. But when it comes to buying a lot of these things like the turkey is only going to last so long. I mean, we have a chest freezer. I usually throw a few turkeys in the chest freezer. I'm not kidding you. And we enjoy Thanksgiving throughout the year, so to speak. But being able to prepare stuff yourself and preserve it like canning is the way to go. Let me show you a couple other things. $2.64 for potatoes. Potatoes are fantastic, and you don't really need to can these. They'll actually last quite a while in your basement. Or 78 cents a pound for onions. I love onions. Will spice up any dish for you. And oranges too. And obviously the oranges will not last forever, even though they are just going for 77 cents each. That's a really good price. So there's so many different ways you can preserve these things, like oranges, for example. We have a freeze dryer. That's great. But honestly, I put a lot more stock into buying things like the turkeys, preparing the turkeys, canning the turkey, because that high protein, you can't get a meat right now at a cheaper price than that. But I'm going to ask you, what are some things you've seen? Have you been shopping around? Have you seen any of these really good deals? I've seen some on our prepping group on Facebook. Wow, they're getting some really, really good turkey deals. But what other kind of deals have you found too? Not even just turkey. This is the time to stock up right now. November is the prepping month. There's so many things happening, getting things at a discount. As always, everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.